Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the email of your TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on TikTok. From your profile page, tap on the three dots button in the top right corner to open Settings. In Settings, tap Manage Account. Tap where it says Email. If there is already an email on your account, you will need to get a confirmation code sent there in order to change the email address. Tap Change. Open your old email and get the confirmation code. Enter it here. Next, enter the new email address for your account. You will have to receive a code there too and enter it here to confirm it. Tap Send Code. Copy the code like before. Once you have done that, your new email will be confirmed and the old one will be removed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.